we would like you to listen very well to the message of our second speaker, completer. Okay? Makinig po tayo. Kung meron talaga kayong kailangan sabihin sa mga mommy at daddy, bulong na lang para yung gustong makinig ay makarinig. Okay? Let's listen very well.
Alam niyo po yung words, yung mga salita ng mga completers. Sa akin, nuggets of wisdom yun eh. Kasi sa mababatang edad nila, mababatang gulang pa lamang, nauunawaan na po nila ang kahulugan ng pagsisikap. Sa trabaho po, minsan naririnig natin eh, may mga magagaling. Pero para sa akin, pagpapalit ko yung masisipag at nagsisikap dun sa likas na magaling. Maganda na sana kung magaling na at nagsisikap at nagpupusige at hindi sumusuko. Okay? At lahat tayo meron ganun talino. Itong mga completers po natin, kasama na po si Denden, ito po si Teach Sosa na magsasalita ngayon. Maliwanag na ehemplo, buhay na ehemplo ng magagawa ko ng inyong mga anak. Okay? So, pakinggan po namin mga bata, mga magulang. Let's give it up. Let's give a big round of applause for Thomas Yohanan Sosa, DJ.
Okay, good morning, guys! Okay, so we're all here to enjoy this day, right? How long have you been here in Kumon? How long have we been doing our math or reading worksheets? So what have we gained? I finished my reading last May 29, 2010, and this is what I learned. I learned to persevere. I learned to be a diligent student in class. I learned to balance my summer activities and Kumon. I also learned to set goals and to do anything just to achieve them. I know we all have learned something in Kumon, but the most important thing is how we apply it in our lives. Apply what we learn in Kumon. But sometimes, I tend not to apply some of the teachings from Kumon. I haven't applied to my life the value of discipline. Examples of these are when I sometimes slack off from my schoolwork. I'm not able to balance all the activities that I do. So I sought the help from my parents, and they said to me, Teach, alam mo, kayang-kaya mo yung i-apply sa buhay mo. Kailangan mo lang alamin kung paano. Now, I'm almost finished with my math. So I asked myself, what is there for me to remember when I'm finished with my math? Because I believe there is something there for us when we finish Kumon. I believe that when we finish Kumon, we're all gonna think to ourselves, sa wakas, natapos ko rin ang Kumon. Masasabi ko rin sa inyo, masarap ang pakiramdam nung natapos mo ang Kumon. I also believe that finishing Kumon will help you in your studies so much. I know Kumon has helped me. I say this because when I wasn't in Kumon yet, I would have difficulties in English and more so in math, especially during grade 3. When I got a score of 39/60 in the math exam, my parents decided to enroll me in Kumon. And when I entered, I was determined to finish it. And within months, I was able to become a gold awardee, and I started getting high grades in math tests. I'm also responsible for why I enrolled in reading. I just told my mom to enroll me, and she said, pag in-enroll kita, walang tigilan ha, tatapusin mo. I positively said yes, and so I did what I said. I finished the program. Now that I'm grade 7, we're tackling linear equations and algebraic expressions in math. So paminsan, napapayabang na ako sa mga kaklase ko na sobrang dali ng math. And I proved to them that it was easy for me when they saw that I got a grade of 99 in math, all thanks to Kumon. So guys, let's make use of our time here. You guys learn from my mistakes. I've been wanting to stop my Kumon, but you know, when you enter Kumon, there's no turning back. You have to finish the program. And I'd like to finish math hopefully by this summer. One piece of advice I can give you is determination and hard work will lead to success. Another is always have that never give up attitude in you. Fellow Kumon students, it's not only doing math or reading. You know we can all be more than what we want to be. You know what guys? I play the piano. I have time for guitar lessons. I'm a student council officer and I'm part of a band. With those, Kumon helped me to become like this. So guys, explore the world. There's more. Kumon will help you make use of Kumon. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Teach. Congratulations!
Gagaling nila, ano? Gagaling. Nung minsan,
Mahusay, mahusay.
maganda ko nung unang isang parents talk. Sabi nung isang speaker doon, kasi namimili po kami ng eskwelahan para sa anak ko. Ibang eskwelahan to sa Maynila. Di ko nagtuloy kami doon kalaunan, ano? Pero, yung isang speaker doon sa talk na yun, ang sabi ay ganito, ang pinalalaki din namin, ang pinapag-graduate namin sa eskwelahan, ay sana yung gugustuhin ng ibang magulang na mamanugangin. Okay? Struck po ako nun. Tinamaan talaga ako nun eh. Kasi yung perspective ko, para sa iba pa rin, nakakatawa, pero yung pinalalaki o yung pinalalabas nila sa eskwelahan ay yung para gustuhin ng ibang magulang bilang manugangin. Ito ho sasabihin ko sa inyo, yung mga gugustuhin ko hong manugangin, narito na. So maraming salamat, congratulations sa inyo. Si Tichi sa unang halimbawa yan. Pero,
dadaan muna sa mami.
Hindi ko ibig sabihin nyo, para sa iba ha, possessive pa sa...
Dadaan muna sa mami.
Ang ating third